Hello everyone and welcome to a very special episode here at 610 Hobbies. Today I will be challenging Rubik's Cube. Yeah, I will be challenging a toy, an inanimate object. I will try to break the world record, yeah, right now, but I will try to break my own record. Probably fail on it because probably my best record is just by mere luck. I think my record was 2 minutes and 8 seconds, and the world record I think for a human doing this is like 3-4 seconds. I don't know how. Um, the fastest world record done by a robot, I think it's less than 2 seconds. Anyway, I really like the Rubik's cube. Uh, I learned to do it. I don't think myself I am smart, but I learned the sequence on the instruction booklet, and that's it. That's my trick. That's why it probably takes a lot longer than record Guinness holders. But anyway, I will try to do this, and I have a little, if you can see here, a little stopwatch, so you can see with me my time. I don't know if it's how accurate it is, but it's like the first stopwatch I found while searching on Google. Anyway, let's mess this up and start doing this. I have tried to do it the blue side first because blue is my favorite color, but it doesn't always work for some reason. I think the whole sequence changes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but the sequence I know is the green side up, and that's the first side you solve. Anyway, here we go. Let me just get my stopwatch ready. I am so nervous, but here we go. Wait, oh, sorry. No, I didn't start. All right, now here we go. Are we recording? Yeah, here we go. All right. First, we gotta do this. All right. Red side. Where's the red? I have red side. Have orange. Yellow. Let's see. And white. Here we go. Have the cross ready. That's the first thing you want to do. And we have red and. All right. There's Sissy. Red and white. Oh yeah, this one. And orange. All right. Oh wow. It's almost. I think I didn't mix it properly. Maybe. Oh man, what am I doing? There we go. All right, green side is down. Red and white. Red and yellow. And yellow and orange. And I think that's it for the. And now, well, all right. Come on, it's kind of stuck sometimes. There we go. And red here. And now, okay. What the fuck did I do? I think I fucked up. I think I fucked up. Oh boy. Oh shit. Alright. Yeah, not gonna break a world record here. I fucked up. Man, I kinda. What the fuck happened? Wow. I'm gonna need to try again as soon as I finish this one. Yeah, I got nervous. Forgot the sequence. It happens, especially under pressure and stress. Okay, I think I fixed it. But yeah, it cost me a lot of fucking time. The cross again. There we go. go. All right, here's where we live. All right, I know what I did wrong. All right, again. There we go. Oh, there we go. Nice. And now for the last sequence, nothing is set. All right. All right. Nope. Again. And what? Nothing is. Here we go. This one. All right. Shit. What am I doing wrong? God damn it. I'm fucking it up. Okay. Nope. Nope. Okay. This is supposed to set. There we go. Oh shit, finally. All right. Time. 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Man, I suck. That's over double of my best time. But do you want me to try again? Can I try again? It's only 6 minutes. Nah, I'm gonna leave it there. But yeah, I really assure you that if I hadn't fucked up, it would have been around 3 minutes at least, probably because of the stress. Just kidding. Yeah, no, but I got a little nervous. Sorry, but yeah, my best time is 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Please believe me. I don't. Or maybe if you want me to do another video trying to break my own record again and failing, tell me in the comments if you like it. Please never give me bigger Rubik's than this. I'm fine with 3x3. I've seen the ones 4x4 and no, I don't want. Or the biggest ones like 52x52. No, please don't ever give me that because it will trigger me and kill me. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this poor, lame attempt to break the world record of solving a Rubik's Cube. My name is Gio, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.